Well, check that out.
Some Jersey quartz.
That's pretty. Look at that. See, we haven't been out here 5 minutes, already found something. Yeah, awesome stuff. Huh? Let's keep hunting.
Interesting. Getting close to where you might find fossil stuff in it, maybe.
Oh, very, very possible.
Yeah. Remember that one day we found petrified wood over here.
Oh yeah.
This looks like something, maybe. Hard to tell though. Could just be a weird concretion. Sometimes they do some weird stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, look in the hole.
Yeah. In the crack of the rock.